Hello friends, we will make a pop-up card based on the idea of a square or a rhombus with many layers. We will need a sheet of paper approximately A4 size. We measure the length, so that's 28, half is 14 and half is 14. We join the 2 points using an empty ballpoint pen. So we crease the line and now we fold it along the creased or central line. Give it a good press. Now you take your ruler. Since that was 14, we will take half of 14, that is 7, and we make it a little less. So we are taking 6 centimeters from the central line. From there, 6 centimeters up. Now, along the center on either side, we will be marking 1 centimeter each. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. On the other side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now, perpendicular to the base, we will start marking them 6 centimeters from the base. We draw a line down. Then next 5 centimeter from the base, 4 centimeter from the base, 3 centimeter from the base or central line, 2 centimeter, and finally 1 centimeter. The same on the other side. 6 centimeters, 5 centimeters. As you're drawing them, make sure they are perpendicular. 4 centimeters, 3 centimeters, 2 centimeters, and finally 1 centimeter. Now we will cut along that line that we have drawn. We'll have a shape like this. After having cut all those with your empty refill, we will crease the points where we are going to fold. So 1 centimeter on either side, 2 centimeters on either side, 3 centimeters on either side, and so on. This will help in folding the pop-up very easily, and you will get a neat fold. On the other side, we'll do the same. These are going to be your valley folds. We open the card now. That will be your valley fold. The central line will be your mountain fold. You push them up. That will be your valley fold, your valley fold, valley fold. The center will be mountain folds, valley folds, push them up, push them up. And you can see the card taking shape. And slowly press the whole thing together and you have formed your card. That's your pop-up card. Now we will take a colored paper and paste it at the back so that you get a nice effect inside. That whole thing we can place it onto another backing sheet. So we stick the whole thing up. After having stuck the thing, you wait for a while. We trim the edges to give a good finish. If you have a mat, you can place it on the lines so that you get a good 90-degree angle. Make sure you cut them well. No jagged edges. After having cut them, you have made your pop-up card. I hope you enjoyed making this pop-up card. For more easy pop-up cards, please subscribe to Morris Fun to Learn. Thank you.